Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday, where each week we introduce a new rum cocktail using one of our award-winning rums. My name's Robbie. This is our head distiller, Jake. Today we have an extra special one for you. Christmas is over. I'm ready for New Year's. Yep. You still got your Christmas sweater on. What's up?
Well, I figure if they can start playing Christmas music before Thanksgiving, I can wear my Christmas sweater for a few extra days.
I love it. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, today's drink, we're gonna make you guys a Rum Russian. Now, Jake's got the awesome recipe for this.
Yep.
What's the difference?
So typically, if you were making a white Russian, it would be made with vodka.
Ugh, gross.
Vodka.
But we're not doing that.
No, we're making a Rum Russian, so we got to use
our silver rum. We're gonna use our silver rum for this. This is one of our best sellers, very clean, little hint of sweetness, the essence of the molasses it was distilled from. Phenomenal product.
Yep.
So we're gonna use that for our white Russian. And the first step to making this drink will be making use of all those unused candy canes. You got candy canes hanging on your tree. You got candy canes laying around the house instead of storing them for next year, which is what I always do. We're gonna put these as the rim for the glass. So we'll put these up in a thing and we'll break them up. If you didn't get what you wanted for Christmas, then you can really take that out on the hammer smashing these things. We're gonna rim our glass. Once we've got our candy cane rim, we're gonna ice these things. Mm-hmm. Am I doing too much ice?
No, I think it's fine.
Okay, good. All right, Jake, iced up, what's next?
So we're gonna make our Rum Russian. So we're gonna need 2 parts of silver rum, 1 part of heavy cream, and 1 part of coffee liqueur. Now, we made our own coffee liqueur for the video today. You can use whatever coffee liqueur you pick up in the liquor store, or hopefully, if we can get our recipe figured out right, you can use our coffee liqueur that we have available soon, hopefully.
Yeah, TBD. It's going to be awesome.
All right.
All right, so silver rum first?
Yep.
2 ounces in each glass?
You want to do it? Yeah.
You want me to put it in there?
Yeah, I want to mix it up.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. So that's 1. 2 ounces.
Sure.
All right.
Next, we're going to do 1 ounce each of heavy cream, so 2 ounces total. So I'm just keep using this side.
Oh, nice.
Even easier, yeah.
Heavy cream.
Heavy cream.
Heavy cream.
And then 1 ounce each of the coffee liqueur. So again, 2 ounces. All right. Give that a quick stir.
There you have it, the Rum Russian with a candy cane rim. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Link and recipe will be in the description below. Check out our website for more recipes and subscribe to us for Muddy River Mixology Monday. Our products are for sale in your local liquor store, and we encourage you to come out to our distillery, meet people working here, and take a tour, taste our rum. Cheers. Happy holidays and Happy New Year. We never high-fived. Oh, we nailed it, dude. We're so synced up.
You know what I'm saying? Like, the video, like, we go for it, we just miss it.
That was it.
And then, like, you just did, like, oh,
we could do that right now. Spin move. Low 5. Too slow. Wait, you got it. One more time. There's your blooper. How do I look? How do we look?
Like a happy couple.
Oh, God. And then I'll be like, today we are making a Muddy River Rum Russian. We're making a Rum Russian
please
today.
Put that in the video.
We're making Rum Russians. So, the first step to making a white Russian is...
Leave the video.
Is it still going?
Yeah.
Made you look.
I don't know what going was. It's blue.
Just look at my butt.
Yes.
Okay.
Talking to each other.
Yeah, I know.